So if you participated in the Mantle journey, you can now claim your share of the 15 million MNT tokens. So in this demo wallet here that I did some tutorials for the channel, I am eligible for just under 130 Mantle tokens. And as of the time of this recording, each token is going for just under 63 cents. So that works out to about $80 or so, but on one of my other wallets, I qualified for more than double that amount. So it's not a bad little airdrop, although this isn't one of the blockbuster airdrops of the season for sure. So in order to claim your tokens, make sure that your wallet is on the Mantle network. Then you hit this button that says view your Mantle journey contribution, and it tells you what you got tokens for, and then you can claim your Mantle. So the claim period is open for just over a month, 30 days and 5 hours. So there's no rush to claim this one. However, it is very cheap to claim. It's not like there's massive surge in gas fees right now. It costs basically $0. So you might as well go and claim your Mantle tokens if you participated in the journey. Anyways, that's it for today's video. I know that was another long one, but man, there is so much happening right now, and I want to make sure you guys have all the information that you need. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.